Welcome to MENA MedTech Insights. Last week, the Saudi Food and Drug Authority, or SFDA, released new clarifications regarding its fast-track approval pathway for locally manufactured medical devices. This move is a significant acceleration of the kingdom's goals under Saudi Vision 2030 to build a robust domestic healthcare industry. For years, Saudi Arabia has been one of the largest importers of medical technology in the region. This new initiative aims to change that dynamic fundamentally. The goal is to boost self-sufficiency, create high-skill jobs, and turn the kingdom into a regional manufacturing hub. The SFDA's latest guidance details specific incentives for companies that commit to local production. This includes not just assembling finished products, but also transferring technology and developing local supply chains. The fast-track process promises a significantly reduced time to market for devices approved under this scheme, potentially cutting down registration timelines by several months. We are already seeing this play out with real-world examples. A joint venture between a European diagnostics firm and a Riyadh-based conglomerate recently received approval for their new line of IVD test kits in record time. They established a local facility for final assembly and quality control, which was a key factor in qualifying for the prioritized review. This case highlights the SFDA's seriousness. However, the path is not without its complexities. The regulations require a deep commitment, including robust quality management systems compliant with ISO 13485 and stringent post-market surveillance plans managed locally. For international companies, this is a strategic crossroads. Do you continue navigating the standard import route, which may face increasing hurdles, or do you embrace localization? The latter requires significant upfront investment and careful partner selection, but the reward is preferential access to one of the fastest-growing medtech markets in the world. The key takeaway is that the barrier to entry is shifting from purely regulatory to strategic. It's no longer just about having a CE mark or FDA approval. It's about your commitment to the local ecosystem. This is a pivotal moment for the Saudi medtech landscape. Companies that adapt their strategy now will be the market leaders of tomorrow. For further insights on navigating these changes, feel free to email or visit Chen-Global.